we have another kind of list in HTML, which is definition list. So let's understand that. To create a definition list, we have to use the DL tag. So DL, which stands for definition list, and inside the DL tag we have to give the DT tag, which stands for definition term. So we have to give a term to this list item. So let's say the definition term is rows. If I save the file, you can see rows got displayed. Let me put a colon here. If I save the file, you can see the output rows colon. So for this definition term, we have to give a definition data. So for that, after the DT tag, opening and closing DT tag, we have to write the DD tag, which stands for definition data. So for this term, we have to give a data here. So let me write rows is a beautiful flower. It is a symbol of love. So we are adding dummy text here. So manually writing dummy texts consume time. So let me teach you a shortcut. So let's say you want to test a layout with some dummy text. So for that, you don't have to write dummy text or collect them from internet. You just need to write a lorem. Let's say you want 20 dummy words. So after lorem, just write 20, then hit enter. You will get a dummy text of 20 words. So this is a shortcut in VS Code. So we don't have to write dummy texts manually. It is handled by VS Code. So save the file. You can see automatically this definition data has some indentation before itself. The browser adds some indentation before the text, which looks nice. So let's say we have another item, and with the definition term sunflower colon, and which has definition data, let's say lorem, and the text would be of 30 words. So lorem 30, hit enter. So we have a text which contains 30 words. Save the file. You can see sunflower and definition data which contains 30 words. So basically this was the definition list item, and we have successfully learned 3 kinds of lists available in HTML.